Is very difficult to say because Sai Sudarshan was promised. The boy here in Delhi showered praise on how coach Gautam Gambhir has told him that the famous quote of Sanju Samson that Surya Bhau has told him that even if I score 21 ducks, I am going to play. So we've seen what is happening with Sanju Samson. ओपनिंग गया नंबर 5 पे आया, अब प्लेइंग 11 में भी धीरे धीरे नहीं है।
करुण
या,
नायर
करुण नायर का तो चलो एटलीस्ट सेलेक्टर चीफ सेलेक्टर ने ही कह दिया। अजीत अगरकर इन दुबई, आई वाज इन दैट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वेयर ही सेड दैट कि बस
he's in prime form right now.
प्राइम फॉर्म वही है, तो सामी इज आल्सो टेकिंग विकेट। उस लॉजिक से तो आप फिर दोनों को लो बैटिंग का। एटलीस्ट इफ करुण नायर इज समवन जिससे बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन था, नहीं फिल अप कर पाया। अगेन ही वाज नेवर गिवन अ रोल, whether he was a number 3 or a number 6. Test cricket, you can't have number 3 to number 8 as a floater. I won't be surprised if Sai comes back at number 3, Washi drops down, and Nitish Kumar Reddy might replace Siraj.
Pratyush, I want to understand, depending on what happens with Shubman Gill, India will have to take a call on what is the makeup of their side. Do they want Nitish Kumar Reddy as the batter who can ball a bit, or do they want someone like a specialist batter, whether it is Sai Sudarshan or Devdutt Padikkal? People have been saying you need to break the momentum and bring in a right-hander. If they bring in a right-hander, what message does it send to Sai Sudarshan and to Devdutt Padikkal and to Nitish Kumar Reddy?
I know it is very difficult to say because Sai Sudarshan was promised. The boy here in Delhi showered praise on how coach Gautam Gambhir has told him that the famous quote of Sanju Samson that Surya Bhau has told him that even if I score 21 ducks, I am going to play. And we've seen what is happening with Sanju Samson. ओपनिंग गया नंबर 5 पे आया, अब प्लेइंग 11 में भी धीरे धीरे नहीं है। So it was hard on Sai Sudarshan from the very start. He should have been given these 4 tests, including the 2 West Indies ka, 2 South Africa ka. So at least give him a chance to fail if you are not so confident in him. अगर देवदत्त पडिक्कल पे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था तो why picked him? Could have picked अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन और I don't know, अभी सरफराज खान का बोलने में भी ये लगता है what wrong that guy has done. It is
What I want to know. I want to throw one more name, Karun
yeah.
Nair.
करुण नायर का तो चलो एटलीस्ट सेलेक्टर चीफ सेलेक्टर ने ही कह दिया। अजीत अगरकर इन दुबई, आई वाज इन दैट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वेयर ही सेड दैट कि बस
he's in prime form right now.
प्राइम फॉर्म वही है, तो सामी इज आल्सो टेकिंग विकेट। उस लॉजिक से तो आप फिर दोनों को लो। बट बैटिंग का एटलीस्ट इफ करुण नायर इज समवन जिससे बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन था, नहीं फिल अप कर पाया। अगेन ही वाज नेवर गिवन अ रोल, whether he was a number 3 or a number 6. आपको can't be, I mean, जैसे yesterday also we were talking कि test cricket you can't have number 3 to number 8 as a floater. I won't be surprised if Sai comes back at number 3, Washi drops down, and Nitish Kumar Reddy might replace Siraj because it is going to be a turner. Guwahati is going to be a turner, and Guwahati's pitch and another 2.5 day or 3 day finish हो सकता है। I won't be surprised because what the things are not looking good for India. Like I mean, the management, the coach, starting from the coach, the captain, the selector. Yes, that England series was. I mean, I don't know who let who. It was played between two very bizarre team. They somehow managed to end up 2-all on docile pitches. That was not a typical England pitch. ठीक है, सुमन गिलकर ने काफी अच्छे रन किए, केएल राहुल बैटेड रियली वेल, सिराज का स्पेल ओवल में काफी अच्छा था, बट एट सम पॉइंट they'll have to prioritize test cricket. I mean what happened in Eden was like, I don't know, I mean ऐसा pitch कैसे आप डिमांड कर सकते हो, and then you went on and defending that pitch. And what I have been told that Guwahati is going to be the same. It is a red soil pitch, turn होगा, bounce होगा. So you might see Nitish Kumar Reddy batting at 8 or 9, more batting depth. And if Subman is not fit, then Dhruv Jurel will move up the order at 4. And how और क्या ये justice करता है? I don't know whether it justified Dhruv Jurel को भी कि अभी एक position तो fix नहीं है ना. He has batted at 7, now he's batting at 4, couple of here and there, couple of poor innings, and he'll be shown the door. या फिर 15 में रहेंगे एज अ सेकंड विकेट कीपर। ये You have to be like 3 से 7, 1 से 7 आपका. You need specialists. You don't need bits and pieces cricketer जो आपको मतलब playing 11 में आपने fit कर दिया है. I think coach Gambhir needs to understand this. Like he can't run a team जैसा उन्होंने KKR, LSG या ODI team इंडिया की जहां हम चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीते या सूर्या के साथ वो T20I में कर रहे हैं. We can't run a test team like that.
The completion of series, when people in the media ask more about the series than the last match, what did Nitin find classless when Virat was full-time captain and captain 3 out of the 4 tests? So imagine, so that has already happened.
You leave the stage. That's my point. The captain for that match, for the match which ended up helping India clinch that series, was Ajinkya Rahane. What I meant by saying classless, because you expect your marquee cricketers to show that amount of willingness to concede the stage when someone else has been someone else has taken over the leadership role for that moment. And I just felt that Virat could have allowed Rahane to address that piece.
Just to play devil's advocate, you've got possibly Cam Green batting at 3 for Australia in the Ashes, Vian Mulder batting at 3 for South Africa in here and in Pakistan and before that as well. Is there a trend emerging in Test cricket where more coaches want these kind of cricketers in their lineup, even in Test?
Boss, Australia had Shane Watson batting for them at the top order, for a long time. But then Shane Watson, after he got through his injuries, and he was batting at that level, then he did pretty well, and he has that talent. Do you have that kind of talent, but do you have we have the batters the sort of the batters who will be able to bowl also and take a few wickets. I mean, in case of NKR, we saw that he didn't even get a single ball to bowl in the series against West Indies. So I don't know what we are looking at. I mean, it's a sort of very dangerous situation where we are not being able to find a number 3, and now in what could be Gill's most likely absence, we'll struggle to find a number 4, and we are only down 1-0 in the series after having played on a horrible track. We don't know what's in store in Guwahati, where lunch will become tea will become breakfast. I don't know what all these things. So we are heading into a lot of uncertainty, and I'm fearing a repeat of 2-0, which happened 25 years ago in 2000, when we were all perhaps screaming out to be champions. At least I became a generation.
Question to all of you: Gigi goes on to lose this series. Will you still say secure till 2027? I think it's secure till 2031. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, he's very, very well connected in all ways. So I don't think, unless the public pressure is so huge that the BCCI suddenly realizes that no, they need to, you just wait and watch what happens if they lose 2-0. I'm sure they will create a new headline to deflect all the attention. Headline management has become an art, of all powers that currently run India. So, and I'm sure the BCCI is no different. So, I'm sure they will create something, some event, be it maybe the T20 World Cup schedule or something related to do with the IPL, something that will happen on that day, which will deflect the attention from the loss, and suddenly the attention will veer to some other aspect. But ideally, 3 series losses back to back. I mean, I do not even count West Indies and Bangladesh. I think we need to take stock of not just because of the losses, Chandresh. It's because of the way our Test cricket is going.
There are tons of questions for you. I'll start with this. We are just human. Saying, अच्छा प्रत्युष, मतलब हमारा कुत्ता टॉमी और सामने वाले का कुत्ता ये कौन सा लॉजिक है भाई? Jaddu and Ashwin took millions of wickets in Gadda pitches, but they are great, and opposition takes, they are mediocre.
यार कहाँ? I mean, conversation अभी जडेजा and अश्विन का तरीके का रहा है, तो उस समय हमारा, I mean, if you'll see, it's not about the pitch, rank turners पे bowling करना is still I feel an art. वहाँ पे run बनाना is an art. But ऐसे pitches पे the kind of pitches, and when you know that your batter's strong suit is not against spin, तो ऐसा ऐसा bet लेना ही क्यों? That too in a WTC cycle where every points matter, every win matter. कि आप मतलब ये गॉन आकिब जावेद वे यार कि घस घस के ऐसा बना दो कि वो ना पिच रहे ना अखाड़ा रहे, वो क्या था पता नहीं. So I mean, Ashwin and Jadeja, they've received a fair share of criticism on playing. It was not their call. The same Ravi Ashwin has bowled well in overseas also. I remember a spell where he clean bowled Alistair Cook. There was a very good spell in Australia. तो मतलब उनके and Jadeja overseas में हमेशा hold करते थे. Here he has got so many wickets because वो ball turn नहीं करते. वो सीधा सीधा फेंकते हैं. जैसा अक्षर पटेल भी करते हैं. So I mean, it's completely two different thing. Here we are talking about like if our strong suit is not against spin, then why prepare such pitches? And I mean, Jadeja is still there, but we don't have an Ravi Ashwin. Ravi Ashwin's batting was better than Akshar Patel. Akshar Patel might be very good, or Nitish Kumar Reddy will be very good, might be very good. Ashwin has saved India from precarious situation. वो बांग्लादेश का टेस्ट जहाँ पे वो निकाला उन्होंने with कुलदीप यादव, and there are many examples यार. Ashwin batted at 8 and 9, he was an asset. So ऐसा ये फालतू का comparison मत नहीं करना चाहिए.
Pratyush sir, whenever India lose, not defending KL, but why all the blame goes to him? Because irrespective of the match, he was the highest scorer for India in the first innings.
I don't think anyone is blaming KL. KL has kind of, I mean, since last year, he is kind of, he's worked hard and he has done well. KL Rahul ka, I remember a classic quote of Mark Ramprakash somewhere in 2018 or somewhere, जो media को उन्होंने बोला था, does he even know how good he is? KL Rahul का criticism यही रहा है कि he's just some mental blockness because KL Rahul was supposed to take the baton from Virat Kohli, right? Captaincy भी, he was seen as a captain. राहुल द्रविड़ ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोल दिया था कि he is someone जिसके इर्द गिर्द हम टीम will build team around him. When Dravid came as a head coach, but कहीं ना कहीं he kind of fizzled away. फॉर्म नहीं रहा, इंजरीज यार, इम्पैक्ट इंजरीज भी काफी रहा एंड थोड़ा अप्रोच भी रहा. बट you see he has done well. I mean, he is probably, I think in the current setup, after Rishabh Pant, he is our best test batter.